taste all the flavors of life you need to know. A channel made with a lot of love, bringing delicious things from everywhere. Come with us, discovering the meaning of life and what does it show. We love food world, we love food world. With Antonia and Septimo from Philippines and Ricardo Nunes from Madeira.
Oi, Antônia, Ricardo, menino Xande, eu sou a cantora Vitória Vick, a loira da Bahia, direto aqui do Brasil, falando com vocês que está aí em Londres. Eu fiquei sabendo pelo Gil Barbosa e também pelo DJ Marcos Carioca que vocês estão divulgando a minha música aí em Londres. Eu fiquei super feliz. Super beijo aqui da cantora Vitória Vick e continue me divulgando aí. Minhas redes sociais no Instagram, para quem quiser me seguir e ver meu trabalho, lá tem mais videoclipes e também o canal no YouTube. É Vitória Vick Oficial com 2 L. Beijo, meus amores.
Good morning, everyone. Hi, hola, amiga, amigo. Bon dia, bon dia. Good morning from England. We are from England. By the way, I'm Antonia and
Xander.
Okay, guys, let's cook now. So, oh.
Yeah, let's do pie minutes.
Okay, guys. Where is the... Unahin natin yung baking powder and salt mixed together. Are you doing?
Oh, I'm in the put the
guys.
pie minutes. Pie
Yeah.
minutes. Oh no, I'll
Lagay
press
natin
the
siya dito.
button.
Okay.
Just
And then
pie minutes, Mom.
cornstarch. What are you doing there, huh? You gotta be pull over.
Okay, let's make a curry like
Sugar.
sugar. Good job, Mom. I want to mix it.
I'm gonna mix it.
Yeah, let's do juice and the juice pop it. I was mean pickle this one and no Mom.
And sugar as well. And then.
Mommy's.
Okay, guys. We're gonna mix it now. You're gonna cook on. Okay, look at this.
I'll mix it.
And then
Butter.
butter.
Yay! Let's mix it together. Mama, let's mix it together, Mama.
Yeah, behave.
Wait a minute, Mom. Mommy, you mix it, Mom. Now 2 times.
Okay.
2 times. I'll be hot.
Okay, guys. Extra vanilla.
Mama, I want to tell you, Mom.
Okay.
Wait a minute.
Later.
I'll put it in 2 times in here. Well, I'll put
Banana?
one. Banana. Yeah, 2 tips. I'm going to do. What was it? Yeah, let's eat nana. It was so yummy. I'll buy it. Mommy buy it because look at this.
Okay, guys. Look at this. Do like this, the banana. That's amazing, yeah.
Yeah, look at this. And another like that one. It's another. You smell. You smell this?
Look, the banana, you need to mash it. Mash.
This one. Okay, let's go.
It's a very mash it.
Okay, let's mash it. Maybe.
Mash again, mash.
Okay.
Mash.
Oh,
Isn't it?
yeah. Look at this. Okay.
Careful. Look at that, guys.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay, let's there.
Yeah, this one is mean to makes it. Right? More makes. Right? Huh? No. I want to do like
Kamayan ko siya, guys. Okay?
Mama, I want to do like that, Mommy.
Only me.
It's only me.
Put the banana on it.
Mama, I want to put my hands.
I mix it. My hand is clean, so
My hands mean to my there and maybe this one to be
Mix
to
it.
eat this nana. You smell.
Okay, guys, look at this. May mix pa lang siya.
Okay. Because what's this recipe? Both guys.
Okay, guys.
And
I'm gonna put this. Come on, Candy. Put it all together. Put all. Put all, son. Oh, like this. Quickly. That's it. Now to eat.
Mama, it's Mimi's mommy. Mimi's.
Yeah.
I want to create this one.
Okay, good. Okay.
I eat cookies
Yeah.
and cook.
Yeah. And the cookies, yeah.
I need to
Okay,
put
guys,
this
look at
in
this.
the-
Amazing.
Okay, I'll hold it. I'll put up my turn.
I'm gonna put this in the fridge about 30 minutes and then I cook it. Okay, hi guys. Ayan na. Look at this. I'm gonna put in the oven. In the fridge. And the fridge to be cooled down in 30 minutes. Okay? Cold. Okay, guys. Hey, show the cookies on.
Okay. Whoa. Let's break it.
Okay. Okay.
What's this one is all chocolate. It's
Look
real
at that.
done.
It's from the fridge, so I need
Let me see. I'll taste it.
Mhm.
Yummy.
Yummy.
Smell like
Smell like what?
chocolate chips.
Smell like chocolate chips.
I'll eat this one.
Okay.
So delicious.
Like it. Look at that pie. Amazing. Wow, sarap. Saan
Yeah.
Xander?
Yeah. It's whispered up and he'll no smell it. Okay, well be nice. Okay.
Nice cookies, yeah?
That's fine. Let's eat your cookies. Mama, will we smell cookies?
I will put more of it. Cookies in here. Okay. What are you eating? Look at that, people.
Mama,
Nice.
so
Isn't it?
yummy. This. I want to eat
Amazing.
this one.
No, it's not raw. You cannot eat enough.
It's
Look
so
at that.
no, it's nice in my
Delicious.
tummy.
Sarap.
Mommy, I like it, Mama. I like this one.
Gonna be big one.
I want to get big.
Sunday love cookies. Isn't it, son? You like cookies, do you?
Yeah. I'm gonna put this. I'm gonna eat this. I eat this. I eat this cookies.
Yeah. Yes. Like apple. Wow. Amazing. Amazing, guys.
one. Look, this is one. It's like cookies. Amazing.
Yeah, amazing. Guys, like
Wow,
chocolate.
amazing chocolatey.
Mini chocolate. On top. Gonna be yummy delicious.
4,
5,
6,
7. And eat that.
It's yummy, Mommy. If you not eat this one, it's going to be a noise. Of course, on this cookies.
Guys, look at that. Sarap ng cookies.
Not bad. It's great.
It's not bad. Isn't it? Not bad cookies. Amazing, yeah?
Mommy, we smell the cookies and want to get dry. Mom always just
No. Look at those people. Hey guys, 75 degrees and 10 minutes only. So after the brown and golden brown, okay, gagana po tayo naman inside the oven. Lagyan na natin siya sa oven. Xander, say hiya.
Hiya.
What you eat?
Chocolate.
Chocolate. Hi guys, look at that cookies. Banana and chocolate chips. It's amazing, delicious cookies. Nice and golden brown. And hopefully you like it. Oh, yummy. And please subscribe and like for my cookies. Thank you for watching and hopefully you like it. Have a nice day. I love you. Bye-bye. Ayan po. Napakasarap ng cookies. Banana chocolate chips is amazing and delicious. Sarap. Yummy. Thank you. Bye now. Love you. Bye.
Taste all the flavors of life you need to know. A channel made with a lot of love, bringing delicious things from everywhere. Come with us, discovering the meaning of life and what does it show. We love food world, we love food world. Septimo from Philippines and Ricardo Nunes from Madeira.